Well, hey there, Aerospace. It is time to start talking about the electrical wiring and how to put together our electrical project that we have here for this class. So the reason I want to go over this with you is that one of the entry-level jobs you can get at Boeing is what's called an electrician. An electrician at Boeing at an entry level is basically putting together bundles of wire that will go from one component to a different. So when you think about it, all the wings and everything are done electronically. And so having wire that needs to go from the cockpit out to the wings, that's a critical job is putting together those bundles of wire to take the uh, so that the electrical code can go from the cockpit out to the wing to be able to raise and lower the flaps and so forth. So we're going to start doing that with what we have here for our project. So I'm going to tilt my camera down, but as you see, when I'm doing this type of work, just like any time that we're doing anything in the shop, and you doing this at home, I also consider shop work, is you have your safety glasses on. So first off, let's turn down and see what we're going to need to start off this project. There we go. All right. So right now I have my bundle of wire that came in your kit. There's also this bag with connectors and zip ties in it. I have my masking tape that I gave you at the beginning of the year. You also have your wire strippers and wire cutters here. And we are going to need to do some measurement. So I have, you can either use your 12-inch scale, or you can use a tape measure if you have it. If you have a tape measure, great. If you don't have it, that's going to work out fine. The other things I have out here is a Sharpie to make a mark on here, so some kind of marker that you have, and then also a FOD box. This is your box that you made, and the reason I have this out here is I'll do my stripping and then put all my parts in there. Just get in the habit of having a FOD box around. So that's the start here. Get your kits and everything out and get everything set. If you don't have a tape measure, get your 12-inch machinist scale. If you have a tape measure, you don't need your machinist scale for this particular part right now. You will need your wire bundle and your bag with your connectors. Okay, that's where we're going to start. And the next one, we'll talk about cutting the wire.